I'm Dave Kushner, and I am a Grammy Award-winning, Emmy-nominated musician and composer. My band, Velvet Revolver, sold over 5 million records worldwide, had the biggest selling debut of any new band in SoundScan history at the time. At the end of the band's 6-year tenure, I went on to carve a new path for myself as a composer for TV and film. It all started with a show called Sons of Anarchy, where I wrote the main title theme song. After that, I did Bill Burr's F is for Family, a show called Detroit 187 on ABC. I've worked with Gordon Ramsay on a show called Uncharted, John Cena on a show called American Grit, and so on and so forth. I've worked with networks from Netflix, Amazon, FX, Fox Sports, TBS, ABC, the NFL Network, and so on. I've actually performed with everyone from Stevie Wonder to Elton John to Chester Bennington, Brian Wilson, from the Beach Boys, Steven Tyler, and so on. Anyway, enough about me. Let's talk about this series. We will touch on all things guitar. I'm gonna help you to be as famous as I would. No, just kidding. We'll start with the very basics of playing, theory, soloing, rhythm guitar, songwriting, chords and scales. We'll go through my gear and some advanced rock guitar techniques. I'll show you how to master improvisation when soloing in any key. We'll explore songwriting strategies used in rock music, which can also be used in folk music and country music and pop music. I'll bring you into my studio where I work every day. Basically, at the end of this series, you'll have a huge chunk of all the things that I learned over the last 35 years as a working musician, which have been the building blocks of my success. I promise you that if you put the time in, there's no reason why you can't play as poorly as I play. You can. If you want to get inspired, if you want to learn the basics and the building blocks of what have fueled my success in the music business, then this is the course for you. By the end of this course, you will be able to melt faces all over the world. So I hope you'll join me on this ride, and together I will show you all the things I know from my experience out in the world of being a struggling musician to a successful musician to a successful composer and everything in between, all of those things.